The teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, the great teacher inspires. Welcome to Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. Unacademy is one of the best and fastest growing learning platforms. It provides live sessions with the best educators. Believe me, the best educators of the country. Along with this, live practice questions with educators where you can practice different questions directly with the educators. Also, weekly quizzes and live doubt clearings where you can test yourself. Batch and courses for class 9 to 12 by top educators on the platforms where total syllabus is covered. The courses are available for almost all these subjects. Now, how to join Unacademy subscription plan? Visit www.unacademy.com. What are the advantages of joining Unacademy? You get access to courseware from anywhere at any time. Combination of structure and freedom, effective time management, asynchronous discussions with classmates, immediate feedbacks on test, preferred pace in learning, sample paper solving. And this is affordable for everyone. You can go to 1 month, 3 month, 6 month or 12-month subscription. Use the code LE01 to get 10% discount. Welcome to Unacademy. We are taking R.D. Sharma Solutions, Class 11, Chapter 5, Trigonometric Functions. Exercise is 5.1. Next question is 1 minus sine square theta by 1 plus cot theta minus cos square theta by 1 plus tan theta. So we have to prove that it is equal to sine theta cos theta. So what we are going to do here is first we will convert this cot and tan into cos by sine and sine by cos. This is 1 minus sine square by 1 plus cot square plus cos square by, so I'll just make this as cos by sine square, okay, cos by sine. This is cos square, so this is minus, and this will be 1 plus sine by cos. So what do you get here? 1 minus, now this one, just see here, sine square plus cos square by sine square. And I am taking this sine, this is not sine square, this is sine by cos. So cos by sine. So you get sine plus cos by sine. So sine square is already there. You get sine plus cos by sine. So I am taking this sine in the numerator. So it will be sine cube. Now this will be cos plus sine by cos. And this cos I am taking in the numerator. So it will be 3. This cos, this will be cos plus sine by cos. I am taking this cos in the numerator. So it will be cos cube. Okay. Now here, if you see this is sine plus cos, this is also sine plus cos. So let us take the LCM. So what do you get here? Sine plus cos. And then this will be sine plus cos minus, and this will be take in bracket because this will come like this because sine plus cos and sine plus cos is already in the denominator. So you get sine cube plus cos cube, right? Now this sine cube plus cos cube, that is, we know that a cube minus b cube is what? A plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. So what do you get? S plus c, sine plus cos minus, now here it will be sine plus cos and then sine square plus cos square minus sine cos. And you have sine plus cos already here. Now this sine plus cos, if you see this one, sine plus cos and sine plus cos is common in these terms, this term and this term. So you can take sine plus cos common. And here it will be 1. And this will be sine square plus cos square. This will be 1. So you get 1 minus 1. And see this is minus. And this will be 1. So 1 minus, and I'm opening the bracket. 1 minus, this will be in plus. Sine cos. This gets cancelled. This also gets cancelled. You get sine cos. And this is what was expected. 1 by sec square minus cos square theta plus 1 by cosec square minus sin square theta into sin square theta cos square theta. This has to be proved to be 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta by 2 sin square theta cos square theta. So here this is, so let me just take here. First of all, what we are going to do, this sec we are going to convert it into 1 by cos, and this also sine will convert it into 1 by sine. So what do we get here? 1 by cos square minus cos square plus 1 by sine square minus sine square. Then in the bracket you have sine square cos square. So I'll just leave it. Let us solve this first one. Then we'll come to sine square cos square. So this is by 1, this is 1. What do you get in the denominator? 1 minus cos to the power 4 by cos square. I'm taking cos square in the numerator now. Plus, what do you get here? 1 minus sine to the power 4, and this sine square will be in the denominator. I'm taking it in the numerator. Right? Now you see here, 1 minus cos to the power 4. 1 minus cos to the power 4, it can be written as 1 to the power 4 and cos to the power 4. 1 to the power 4 is 1 only. Now this can be written as 1 square whole square, and this will be written as cos square whole square. So now this is a square minus b square. A is 1 and b is c square. So we can write it as 1 minus c square and 1 plus c square. If a is 1 and b is c square, 1 minus b and 1 plus c. So I'll write it here. So cos square, this 1 minus c to the power 4 can be written as 1 plus cos square and 1 minus cos square. Again with this one also, sine square, I'm writing 1 to the power 4 minus sine to the power 4. Again, similarly, the same logic goes, 1 minus sine square and 1 plus sine square. Right? So this what we have done, this is 1 to the power 4, 1 minus a to the power 4 can be written as 1 to the power square whole square and a square whole square. So 1 minus a square, 1 plus a square. If you see this 1 minus c square, 1 minus cos square is what? Sine square. So it can be written as 1 plus c square. This 1 minus c square, that is 1 minus cos square, is sine square. It can be written as sine square. Then we have 1 minus sine square as cos square. This can be written as cos square. And then you get 1 plus sine square. Now multiply them. Now properly multiply them. That is, this c square or c to the power 4, 1 plus s square. Now I'm taking LCM. So c to the power 4, 1 plus s square. Here what do you get? S to the power 4, 1 plus c square. And in the denominator you get s square, c square, this one, these two, and 1 plus c square and 1 plus s square. Now you have in the numerator already this, I left it, but sine square and cos square. So this sine square, cos square, sine square, cos square cancels. Okay, this sine square, cos square, you can just cancel it. Now just multiply this inside. This is cos 4 plus cos to the power 4 sine square plus this is sine to the power 4 plus sine to the power 4 cos square by 1 plus cos square into 1 plus sine square. Now here, if you see this one, these two, this one and this one, cos to the power 4 and sine to the power 4. Now cos to the power 4 can be written as cos square whole square, and sine to the power 4 can be written as sine to the power square whole square. Now this is a square plus b square. If I add plus 2ab, that is plus 2 into sine square cos square, and I subtract minus 2 sine square cos square, it won't affect. But this will become as a plus b whole square, that is c square plus s square whole square. That is, this will become c square plus s square whole square, and then this is minus 2 c square and minus 2 s square c square s square. Okay, so what we have done is, we have taken this as square and we have added 2 cos square sine square and minus 2 square sine square. Right? So now this will become as 1. Sine square plus cos square is 1. I'm not taking the denominator right now. This is 1. So this will be 1 minus 2 cos square sine square, and then we have this one also, these two remaining. So we can write it as, this is 1, this total is 1. Minus 2 cos square sine square, then we have sine square cos to the power 4 and plus cos square sine to the power 4 by 1 plus cos square and 1 plus sine square. Okay, this one. Now let us go back, means to the next one. As I said, this can be taken as a square. So this is square. From here to here it is cos square plus sine square whole square. And this is minus 2 sine square cos square. From here I can take sine square cos square common. If I take sine square cos square common, it will be cos square, and here it will be sine square. So this will become 1. So what do you get? You get minus 2 cos square sine square here, and from here you get plus sine square cos square. So what do you get? Minus 2 and plus 1 is minus 1. Okay, or this is minus 2 square cos, this minus 2 and 1 is minus 1, right? This whole is 1, and from here this is 2 sine square cos square. From here you get sine square cos square. So this minus 2 and 1 becomes minus 1. So you get 1 from here. From here minus 2 sine square cos square, 2 sine square cos square. In the denominator, see, let me multiply 1 plus sine square plus cos square plus sine square cos square. Now this will become what? 1 sine square plus cos square is 1. So 1 plus sine square cos square. This will become 2. It will be 2 plus sine square cos square. So this is 1 minus sine square cos square 2 by 2 plus sine square cos square, and this is the right hand side. Next one is 1 plus tan alpha tan beta whole square plus tan alpha minus tan beta whole square. So let us just open it. This is a plus b whole square. So it will be 1 square plus b, that is tan alpha tan beta whole square, plus 2 into 1, that is 2 into 1 is 2 only, tan alpha tan beta. Now here what do you get? Tan alpha minus tan beta whole square is tan square alpha plus tan square beta and minus 2 tan alpha tan beta, right? Now what we have to prove is, in this we have to prove it is equal to sec square alpha and sec square beta. So from this 1 and tan square alpha, if you add these two, because sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So if you take 1 and this tan square alpha, you get sec square alpha, right? Now you see this 2 and tan alpha tan beta, and this is minus 2 tan alpha tan beta, they are same, so in the negative sign, so you can cancel it. Now open this. This will be tan square alpha and tan square beta. This will be what? Tan square beta. Sec square alpha. Now take tan square beta common from here. What do you get? 1 plus tan square alpha. And we know 1 plus tan square alpha is alpha is sec square alpha. This will be sec square alpha plus tan square beta. This will be sec square alpha. Now from this, take sec square alpha common. You get 1 plus tan square beta. 1 plus tan square beta is what? Sec square beta. So you get sec square alpha and sec square beta. This is the right hand side. Next one is 1 plus cot theta plus tan theta sin theta minus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta by sec cube theta minus cosec cube theta. So in this type of problem, what we do, we just convert this cot, tan, sec, cosec into normal form, that is sin and cos form. So how do we do it? See, 1 plus this will be cos by sin, this will be sin by cos, this will be sin minus cos, and here we have 1 by cos cube minus 1 by sin cube. So first let us solve this one. And then we'll solve the denominator also. So what do you get here? 1 plus, this is cos square, this is sin square. I'm taking this first, cos square sin square by sin cos, right? Now this is sin square plus cos square, this will be 1. This will be 1. So you get 1 plus 1 by sin cos. So how to solve this? It will be sin cos plus 1 by sin cos. So this whole becomes sine cos plus 1 by sine cos. This remains here, s minus c. Now let us come to the denominator. In denominator, what do you get? Sine cube minus cos cube. And this sine cube cos cube is these two. I am taking this in the numerator. So sine cube cos cube. Now this sine cube minus cos cube can be written as, this is a cube minus b cube. It can be written as a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So what do you get? sc plus sine cos plus 1 sine minus cos, and this cancels, okay? There is one sine, so you cancel one sine, one cos you can cancel. So sine square cos square here. And this is the formula. So we'll just write it as a formula, s minus c, and s square plus c square plus sc. That is sine minus cos, sine square plus cos square plus sine cos. Now this s minus c also cancels out. So what do you get here? See, sine square plus cos square is what? 1. And this is sine cos. So this is 1 plus sine cos, and this is also 1 plus sine cos. So you can cancel this also. What is remaining? Sine square cos square. And what is the right hand side? Sine square cos square. This is what this was expected. This is right hand side. Now 2 sine theta cos theta minus cos theta by 1 minus sine theta plus sine square theta minus cos square theta. We have to prove that it is equal to cot theta. Cot theta. So from here, let us take cos and cos common. That is cos theta you take common. What is inside? 2 sine theta minus 1. In the denominator, this is 1 minus sine theta plus sine square theta minus cos square theta. So I am taking this 2. 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. So this 2 becomes sine square theta. Let me write this sine square. Now this has become sine square theta, and you have minus sine theta and then plus sine square theta. So this denominator you can take this sine square theta is 2 sine square theta. So cos theta 2 sine theta minus 1, and this sine square will become 2 sine square minus sine theta. Right, this is sine theta. Now you can take sine theta common from here, because this is 2 sine square theta minus sine theta. You can take what? Sine theta common from here. So you get cos theta 2 sine theta minus 1, and you take sine theta, and then you have 2 sine theta minus 1. But you see these two are same, so you can cancel this. Cos theta by sin theta is what? Tan theta, cot theta. So this is cot theta. Next one is cos theta tan theta plus 2, 2 tan theta plus 1, and we have to prove that it is equal to 2 sec theta plus 5 sin theta, right? So how to do this? As I said, whenever the situation is like this, you are not aware what to do, just convert tan into sin cos and tan into sin cos and cos into cos tan, sec into 1 by cos and cosec into 1 by sin. This is how it is done. So let us see. This is cos. I am writing sin, this tan is sin by cos. This has 2, this is sin by cos plus 1. Now what do you get here? This is cos. You get sin plus 2 cos by cos. What do you get here? This is 2 sin plus cos, 2 sin plus cos by cos. Now if you want, you can cancel 1 cos from here. Now this is sin plus 2 cos and 2 cos plus sin. Now just multiply this. This is 2 sin square. This is sin cos. This is 2 to the 4, 4 sin cos. And this will be 2c into c, that is 2 cos square. And cos square is there. So let me just leave it right now. Here, if you see, this is 2 sin square and 2 cos square. Take 2 common, sin square plus cos square. And this is sin cos and 4 sin cos. This is also sin cos. 2 sin cos and 4 sin cos. So it will be 5 sin cos by, of course, cos. Now this sin square plus cos square is 1. So you have 2 plus sin cos by cos. Now take them different, means separately. That is 2 by cos plus sin cos by cos. Cos cos cancels. Now 1 by cos is what? This 1 by cos will be sec cos sec. 1 by cos is sec, so 2 sec plus this is sine, 5 sine. And this is the right hand side. Here we have 2 sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. Now you have to take it as x. The question here is that when you solve it, you must get something which is like this: 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. So in order to do that, first of all, this is 2 sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta here. So what we will do, we will consider this 1 plus sin theta is one term, that is 1 plus sin theta is one term, and then this cos theta is another term. That means I'll write 2s sin theta 1 plus sin theta together and then plus cos theta. So I have to rationalize it. How do I rationalize it? I'll multiply this with 1. Let us take the denominator first. So 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta. Again, in the numerator also you have to put this only. So this will be, just multiply this. So you get 2s. Let me write it here. Numerator I am taking 2s, and now 1 plus s minus cos. You get 2 sin theta, then plus 2 sin square theta and minus 2 sin theta cos theta. This is numerator. So you get, and you don't have to multiply. Why? Because I'll just tell you why we don't multiply it. Just leave it like this because it is going to cancel. I'm not multiplying it. Let it be like this. Because in the denominator, what do you see? This is a, this is b, a, b. So a plus b and a minus b. So you get a square minus b square. That is 1 plus sine whole square minus cos square. So when you open it, it will be 1 plus sine square plus 2 sine, and then you have minus cos square. Now this 1 minus cos square, if you see, this 1 minus cos square can be written as sine square. So what do you get? This 1 minus cos square is sine square. This is also sine square, and this is plus 2 sine. So from here I can take sine common. I'll take sine common. Sine square plus 2 sine square. So this will be 2 sine square plus 2 sine. So I can take 2 sine common from here. So what do you get? 1 plus sine inside. So now I am writing it in the denominator, 2 sine and 1 plus sine. So here 2s cancel. This is 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta, 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta, and 1 plus sine theta. So this is what is the answer. Here we have been provided cos theta, means we have to find out all the other value if one value is given. Okay, that is, the question is sine theta is given as a square minus b square by a square plus b square. We have to find cos, tan, sec and cosine. So we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This means that cos square theta will be equal to 1 minus sine square theta. That means cos theta will be equal to 1 under root 1 minus sine square theta. So sine theta is given, let us put it here. Cos theta will be under root 1 minus this sine square theta, that is this whole square of this. A square minus b square and a square plus b square whole square. So what do you get here? This is square, whole square, that means this square and this square. So here what do you get? A square plus b square, this is whole square. From here you get minus a square plus b square, a square minus b square whole square. And then in the denominator you get a square plus b square whole square. And here root is also already there. So what you can do, this let it be in the root, and this a square plus b square whole square, which is coming in the denominator, let us remove the root. It will be a square plus b square only. So I am just solving the numerator first, because in the denominator you will get a square plus b square. So let us solve this. A square plus b square whole square. This will be a square plus b square. Oh, this is a square plus b square whole square, and this is minus a square minus b square whole square. So this is x minus y whole square. This is x, this is y. X square minus y square whole square, x square minus y square is what? X minus y, x plus y. where x is a square plus b square and y is a square minus b square. So let me write it. That is, this will be a plus b, x minus y, that is x plus y. So a square plus b square plus a square minus b square. And now second one is x minus y. So a square plus b square minus a square, and this is minus, so it will be plus b square. I am trying to solve the numerator under root. Now here what you get? B square cancel, you get 2a square. A square is a square cancel, you get 2b square, and this is under root. So what do you get? A comes out, b comes out in the root, and 2 into 2, 4. 4 under root is 2. So 2ab comes out. And 2ab comes out, and what is the denominator? I already told you that it is a square plus b square. This is the cos theta. Cos theta is 2ab by a square plus b square. Now what is your tan theta? Tan theta is sine by cos. Sine is what? A square minus b square by a square plus b square. And cos theta is what? 2ab by a square plus b square. This gets cancelled. This goes here. So it will be a square minus b square by 2ab, and this is going to be tan theta. This is your tan theta. Sec theta will be what? Inversion of this. That is cos inversion. So a square plus b square by 2ab. This is sec theta. What is cosec theta? Inversion of this. So reciprocal, take the reciprocal. This will be a square plus b square by a square minus b square. This will be your cosec theta. This will be your cosec theta. Okay. Now, this next question we are going to take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much and take care of yourself.